sat down at a local beer joint with a few of the guys when this cute little country girl caught my eye. And boy, let me